Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare for digitals. They're really simple pictures, but they're also very important. So you want to put in effort but make it look effortless, if that makes sense. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I do with my hair, what I do for my skin, and also what I'm going to be wearing, and also how I take the pictures. I'll show you guys examples. If you're interested in learning more, then keep watching. Whatever way you would prefer to be marketed, you want to take your pictures in that form. So I like wearing my hair straight. I also like wearing it curly as well, but that is also what your portfolio is for. And if you are asked to come in, then you'll be able to show them your variety. But just start off with the hairstyle that you're most comfortable with. This is the Kaposi. I have it on 380. I'm just going around the outside of my head, nothing crazy. And we just want to make that look as neat as possible because I'm going to be taking some pictures with my hair up and my hair down. My advice on laying edges for digitals is just make sure they're as natural as possible. So the edge control that I use is called Edge Taming Gel, and it's by Texture ID. So all I'm doing is just taking my toothbrush and just lightly brushing my baby hairs down. Most agencies prefer that you wear black, so I would recommend just wearing black. If you want to confirm that, just check the agency's website, and you want to do that anyway just to make sure you're meeting all the requirements. They'll probably request some shots in a bathing suit, so if you don't have a good black one, I would definitely invest in one. I'm just going to put on these heels that I got from Charlotte Russe. Any black heel will be fine. Like I said, we're not gonna go crazy, so I'm taking this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I know everyone's heard of this concealer. I usually get them at the beauty supply. For makeup, you want to go as light as possible, so I'm using this concealer just to cover up a few of my dark spots, and then I'm going to lightly go over it with Fit Me foundation just to even out the color. And don't forget to moisturize before adding any makeup. Also, if possible, you want to prep before these shots, so I would say a week or more. Get back into your skincare routine if you fell off, just to make sure it's in the best condition. Just to give my eyebrows some definition, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. eyebrow gel. I'm just going to use whatever is left on this brush and just blot it on my face because I don't want to look too powdery. I just want to like set in the concealer that I put on. You'll want to start off by taking these in front of a solid background, and if you're doing this at home, just do the best you can, and keep in mind you can use your phone as well if you don't have a camera. And I usually start off with a good full body from head to toe front facing shot, and then I move on to the 3/4 shot where, as you can see, my body is turned to the side, but 3/4 of my face is in the camera. And I do the same thing with my headshots. After checking the website, you'll see exactly what the agency will prefer, but these are definitely some good shots that you want to have on hand. I recommend that you go light on the posing, just go with some natural movements, and also don't be afraid to smile in some of your shots. So this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and good luck on your modeling journey.